This is the pocketable, travel-friendly side of portable washing. A mini 16-liter foldable washer with a spin basket that's clearly designed for light laundry. Think underwear, baby clothes, socks and the odd t-shirt after a camping trip. On camera the hook is the novelty. It's lightweight. Product literature shows a body weight that makes it easy to pack, foldable for storage, and built from food-grade TPE silicone components, a selling point you can dramatize by holding the materials up to the light and talking about hygiene for baby garments or intimate apparel. The product page highlights 3 cleaning modes and an included spin basket, and the marketing emphasizes spot clean convenience and portability over brute capacity. So this is the kind of unit you'd recommend to travelers, hotel stay users, or anyone who needs a no-fuss, low-water wash for delicate items. User snippets on the listing tend to be positive about how well it handles tiny loads, but also reasonable. It's not for full loads or heavy fabrics. You'll still hand wash bulky towels. Pricing for collapsible mini washers of this style is quite economical. I found comparable listings around the US $80-90 mark on secondary marketplaces at the time of my check, which positions it as an impulse-friendly gadget rather than a long-term replacement for an at-home machine. On camera I would demo filling the basin, toggling cleaning modes, and doing a speed test spin so viewers can see how dry items come out. Then remind people of use cases, traveling parents, tiny apartments, dorm rooms, and mention maintenance tips like keeping the silicone parts clean and storing dry to prevent mildew. Final reminder, we share by links in description box.